Hi guys, so today we came in with another informative video. As told me in comment boxes, tell me about the chicken stock, how we will make chicken stock at your home. So in this video we will show you how you will make chicken stock at your home. All this ingredient you need to make this chicken stock at your home. So for this you need like chicken, we have to remove this skin and we have to cut this one, and you need oil, salt to taste, onion we have to cut by 4, and also all whole spices like bay leaves, cardamom, cloves, and this one cinnamon stick, and also this all this you need to make this one, or this water you need, and also this all utensils like this spoon and this everything. So first what we will do, we will take water in a pan, then we will put our boil this water, then we will put our chicken and also this all whole spices, onion, then this will be boiled maybe 30 minutes. We have to make this boil in water. Okay, so when this will be ready, so I will show you, you can make at your home. So in this video you will find how you will make this chicken stock at your home. So please see this video till last. You will find how we will make in easy step. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, tell to your friend also, because here you found daily informative video and we have daily video for you, and share to your friend also, because here you found every informative video. So I will show you step by step, so please see this video till last, don't skip. So let's start. To make chicken stock, I already took water in a pan, okay, and I already cutted my chicken, okay, and this we have to put here all item which I show you, like whole spices and everything, and now oil and onion also. When boil will come, then we will add our chicken. Till half hour we have to make in this. So this our will make. I put this onion also cut by 4 like this you can put, okay, and we have to put this oil also as I show you before. So you just put little oil also here, and have to wait for boiling. When this boil will come, so we will add our this we will put salt also. So we will put little salt also, not too much, only little, okay, and have to mix well like this. So when boil will come, so we will add our this chicken here, okay. Maybe half hour this will take to make it. So I will show you when this boil will come, okay. So we have to wait for boiling this water, then we will add a chicken. So now it's already boiled, already coming in our water. So now we have to add our this chicken, okay. See, already this boil already coming now. So we have to mix like this, okay. So now I am adding this our chicken here, okay. You just add here our chicken, and you just put like this, okay, and have to cook till half hour, okay. So cover this, and half hour we have to cook in this. So this will be done, and this will we have to remove this chicken stock, okay. And this chicken you can use in your like if you want to make Bukhari, this mandi rice, so you can this put in this mandi rice, okay, and bake in oven and can use. So now cover until half hour, I will show you, okay. So half hour we have to wait, okay. On low fire you can put. So now 30 minutes finish, we have to check our this stock. Maybe this is ready now. Wow, so this is maybe ready now. So we have to remove this chicken, and this check is your chicken. This you can use this chicken to make this your mandi chicken, okay. Then you can roast in oven and put on mandi rice, okay. And your chicken stock now this is ready, okay. So now we have to remove in another bowl this stock, and I will show you, okay. You can remove this onion and this everything strain like this, and stock we have to strain this. So I will show you this one, okay. So we can strain here our stock. Okay, I will show you. So I already strain our stock. So this is our stock ready. So now you can use this stock to make like mandi rice or any yakni pulao or anything. So this is ready to serve. So you can use this chicken stock in several items. So this is homemade chicken stock. So very delicious. How you feel after this recipe? So please comment in comment box. And if you still not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe and tell to your friend also, because here we upload daily informative video. So this is ready to serve. So if you still not subscribe, share to another also, because here you found informative video. So we will come for another video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.